Hello, welcome to another episode of Crypto Orders. So, guys, today we're still doing our continuation on looking into BTC. Where is BTC heading to? We're still looking into BTC because we want to see if BTC is, because I think the market depends solely on BTC. If BTC is going up, most crypto will go up. But if BTC is going down, most crypto will go down. So we're still looking into BTC. So right now we are on the 3 hours time frame. So we're looking at the 3 hour time frame. So you can see this is where BTC was supposed to break into, but we could not achieve that particular break. That is at this 32,000 level. You can see we could not break above this 32k. Alright, and now, and this is the level that we find ourselves, which is that there's a 23k, guys. So this 23,000. So we're looking at this 23,000 because this area here, this one candlestick, that's this 23,000 is the area. This 23,000 and this 21,000 US dollar. This area, this is the area that BTC needs to break, and you can see it will be struggling in to break it, guys. And so let's say this is our first touch of violating this particular 21k area. All right, so let's assess BTC. So this is the first time that we violated this 21,000 area. So we're going to call that area touch 1, right? So we're going to call this particular area the first time we violated that particular area. So you can see our retracement was perfect. Okay, now our retracement should not go below this particular 19,000. You can see our retracement was perfect. So the moment we go above this particular retracement, we should be staying within this particular move. Where this move starts, that is at this 20k for retracement. You can see BTC did just that precisely, guys. So you can see we are on a very good trend here. Now let's look at our retracement. Now you can see this is our second broke, the second touch on this 31k level here, which is 2. Okay, so we're going to call it 2, guys. So at our previous episode, our target for BTC was around 24k. You can see BTC missed it barely. We barely missed this particular 24k before the retracement, guys, which is not still bad. So right now we're looking at this retracement. BTC is not yet successfully broken yet. So let's see. Now for breaking above this particular, this is our second touch, meaning we should not go below this particular, see, this particular retracement of 1. That is where our break should be. The price, if the price is going down, it should be rejected. Okay, it should be rejected. So you can see right now we are in that area, because if we look at the close, we're dropping in below the close of this 21k area, guys. So you can see the sellers are struggling, and I think this is going to be their last try, I think. But we've not seen if we're successfully broken from this particular downtrend. We're going to go look into that particular one. If we're broken, we're going to look into the 3-minute chart and see what is actually going on with BTC on the 3-minute chart. Let's see if the breaker has really gone through. But you can see the sellers are struggling, and we just need a very see, BTC is still closing, which means the move is not yet ready. We're still going to see some red, so you're going to try to push it down until they try and see. Okay, so You can see we are almost getting to where our previous retracement was, which is here exactly. And you can see, we can see the market is about to change direction, guys. About to change direction. Okay, so now let's go into our 3-minute charts. Let's see what is going on with BTC. Okay, guys, so let's see. BTC have started the sorry, guys. Okay, so you can see these are 4. So we've not successfully broken out of this 23k. You can see it on the 3-minute chart. You can see we're still deep in the valley. So now let's see if our broke have started on this particular 23k chart. So this is the level that we need to break out from. So this is our level that we need to break out from here. Okay, so this is our level that we need to break out from. Okay, here. Okay, so we need to break out from this level. Perfect. So you can see this is our first break here. Okay, this is our first break. So you see BTC is not yet over, but we're still struggling. And this is our second, right, which is still very slightly, we can still call it second because it violated the particular structure. But for me, I like to see it close above it, but it's still a violation. So guys, we're going to see if this violation is holding to it. So we're going to put and see we are still broken, meaning that we are not ready yet. But the moment we see a great candle here, guys, you're going to see this price jump up like it's normal business. So let's see what's going to happen in the next 2 minutes 46 seconds. So you can see the sellers are struggling right now to push the price below this particular blue line, but yet we're not still going to buy. Okay, we're not going to buy. So before we buy, we need BTC to clear this particular area, meaning BTC has to we want to have a move like this, like this, like this, like this. So we'll buy. Okay, so this is the area that we're going to buy before we know that. Okay, we'll successfully clear this particular area, guys. So our next move, so let's see where BTC is heading after this break. Let's go back to the 3-hour time frame, guys. Let's see where it could be BTC next, where BTC needs to hit. So if you look at it, you see there's a little bit of challenge here on this particular line bit here. Okay, we're having, so here is going to this 20 say this 28k and 27k. Okay, but this break should lead us above this particular 21k, and so we should be able to hit this 32k. But if BTC could break, because this is still another place that is going to hold BTC, this 28k area. So but if we could not break into this particular, let's say this 29k, well, maybe we might just break above, but could not violate this particular 32k, meaning that we're going to start on that break in between this 28k area, guys. So our target, we're not going to go into this 28k because we'll be looking at hitting this target here, this 27k area, that is going to be 28k, let's say, or BTC should violate this particular 28k area to see. So our target for BTC will be looking at this 28k area for BTC. So that's what we'll be looking at, this 28k. So we're going to remove this particular line because we believe BTC is going to violate that particular area. So we should be looking at this 28k or slightly above 30k, or slightly above 30k. So before we can see another retracement coming in. But for me, I'll say okay, BTC is done and BTC is is getting ready to go to the upside, and you can see we are not violating any structure. We are holding the line firmly, guys. So we just need right now, we just need something like a very small pin bar or an inverted hammer on the chart, guys. So that's all, guys. Please just do leave to get back to us on your feedback on the comment section to give us what your thought is. So we're not going to, so that's all for today, and if this particular class help you, please do let us know. So guys, let's go back to this particular 3 minute shot and let's just see what happened on the 3 minute shot before we wrap up the show. So you can see we did not break, so this particular move should break this particular move. If this move did not break and we have a double top, guys, we're going to slide down below. So this move we should break with this particular move. All right, so guys, let's see if we're going to break with this move. Okay, let's see if we're going to break. This move should go above this particular move, then we can retrace, but we can but I believe this particular move will go through this particular move because never can tell, guys. So this is our, we have to go above this, we have to go all close above this particular line here, then we know we have a good entry point at this particular area at this 22,000. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. See you in next episode, guys. Thank you very much.